Halos 300 organisasyon ng kabataan mula sa iba't ibang sulok ng Pilipinas ang nagsambagi para sa prestigyosong parangal na ito.
Bale, ang una dyan, ang Tenacom District Candidates ay tinayo ni Senator Kiko Pangilinan noong 2002. At ito ay sinuporta ng National Youth Commission at Coca-Cola Foundation Philippines together with the Tayo Award Foundation. So ang ginagawa natin the whole year round is we're looking for the best organizations, the best projects.
Basura Eskwela is taking efforts, Basura and Eskwela. What we do is that we mobilize the youth of Cebu in partnership with different organizations. We have student councils, we have SK councils, we also have community organizations working together in collecting used tarpaulins in Cebu City.
Our project entitled Kabida. It is a livelihood program for the youth, children, farmers, and of course for the community. We come up with this project because alam na naman na hindi kasi mahirap na mag-invest kasi yun nga, maliit lang yung puhunan, and then we come up with this because of community, environmental friendly kasi yung ano namin, advocacy namin, gumamit talaga na organic fertilizer.
Pinangunahan ni Presidente Benigno Aquino III ang paggawad ng parangal. Ilan sa mga panauhing pangdangal ay ang presidente ng Tayo Awards Foundation na si Bam Aquino at ang co-founder ng Tayo Awards na si Senator Kiko Pangilinan.
Unang-una, nagsimula tayo, napakaraming mga youth orgs na sumali and we were able to see their contributions sa mga projects nila. At nung una, which was 2002, compared to 2012, ibang-iba yung mga projects. I think before, mas maraming mga charity-based projects. Ngayon naman, mas maraming social enterprises. Nung 2002, lahat nagsasubmit through the mail. Ngayon, karamihan nagsasubmit through email. Yung pagkalat rin ng information noon, talagang the poster, talagang school tours, ganyan. Ngayon, it's usually one group, pinapost niya, let's join tayo this year, and then yung mga ibang kaibigan nila, sumasali rin, no? So, marami rin changes through the years, but I think yung pareho is the heart of a lot of the young people. Nandun yung kagustuhan tumulong, the purity of intention to just help your community and give everything that you have. I think yun yung hindi nag-iiba through the years.
At ito po si Nea Del Rosario, mula sa Little Four na malakay ng yung reporter